Hello everyone, this is my life for hire. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna bring you to Venice city center, and I'm gonna shoot some low light video with this Panasonic GH5 with a kit lens, 12 to 60mm f3.5 to 5.6. So you'll have an idea how well it does in low light. Because like 2 years ago I did a 4K video test with the Sony A6300 and 18 to 105 lens. It was awesome. F4 constant aperture. It was a beautiful low light video I made. I mean, I'm not complimenting myself. I'm complimenting the camera, the lens capability of shooting in low light conditions. And that video got a lot of views. So today I'm gonna do something similar, but with a kit lens, so I can show you, just to what extent can you trust a kit lens, the Lumix kit lens in Micro Four Thirds system, to shoot in poorly lit condition. Okay, so before we jump into that, I just want to announce that I just kind of reopened my Patreon. I created accounts many years ago, but I never used it. I never believed the power of Patreon. I never believed that a small channel like me will get any support, getting any recognition. Like, why would anyone donate money on Patreon every month for me to create whatever I'm already creating? I don't know, but I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna try to promote it a little bit on my every new video. I'm gonna put in upload default. I'm gonna put it in comment section. We'll see where it goes. Maybe we can get a little bit of support from people. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. So now you know. And if you want to, you can go check it out. I'm gonna work on the tiers, rewards and stuff. Right now I just added 2 tiers, very simple ones. A $1 tier, $5 tier. Thank you for your support and such. Nothing really special, nothing really fancy, but maybe I will think of something really interesting for the viewers, well, in the future maybe. So we'll see. All right. And that's it. Let's jump into this low light test video. Alright guys, I just came back home and yeah, we've done the test, the low light test. It's very, very dark. I can't really, crank up the ISO so much because the sensor is so small. It's gonna just create a lot of noise. You see for yourself. I used maximum ISO 1600, and one of the clip was at about 6400. Only one of the clip was church and just sky and a big church, so it's very dark. The others are only up to 1600 ISO maximum. So that gives you an idea what kind of a setting I'm using. Also, I was using the camera, the degree, or what's it called, 180 degree thing. I was adjusting that. So sometimes I'll use very slow shutter speed, lower than is required for filmmaking. But for low light, it's kind of necessary. All right, that's it. Oh, I think my pizza delivery is coming. And also tomorrow, the lockdown is gonna come into effect. The delivery is here. Let's go. Alright, here's my pizza, and we're gonna enjoy the pizza. Alright, I just put the pizza down on the table. So as I was saying, tomorrow is gonna be the first day of the second lockdown in Venice, in Italy. So we'll see what's gonna change, what's gonna be different. So far, it's like we're already in kind of a small lockdown kind of thing. But from tomorrow on, I believe you cannot travel from region to region. But we'll see. I'll figure out. I'll try to read the newspaper better. Okay. That's it. Tomorrow maybe I'm gonna try to vlog on my A7S II instead of the GH5, because I just want to see how it does in vlogging setting. Like yeah, I have awesome lens, 28-75 f2.8 lens, Tamron lens. Though it's a little bit tight, the angle, but it should give you a beautiful bokeh. Well, we'll see. I want to try to vlog with the A7S II. I almost never did, so yeah, we should try. Okay, that's it for today's episode, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Check out the Patreon.